We're carefully watching coronavirus cases. States across the country are reporting record levels of new cases since their reopening.
The latest numbers in Colorado show 188 new cases reported in the last 24 hours, with a total of 30,893 since the pandemic began. Now today, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's leading infectious disease doctor, testified before Congress.
He raised some major concerns about the rising number of new cases and pleaded for people to wear masks. Denver 7 Chief Investigative Reporter Tony Kovaleski is live outside UC Health in Highlands Ranch.
And Tony, Dr. Fauci also offered some optimism about the race to develop a vaccine.
Yeah, good evening, Ann and Gary. This is one of the hospitals that's in that race to find the vaccine. This was a major update, a significant hearing in Washington, D.C. And that question, when will we get a vaccine? Well, that remains unanswered, but clearly there is growing optimism.
Do you believe that we will find a vaccine for the coronavirus?
One of the key moments came with a question from Denver Congresswoman Diana DeGette.
I feel cautiously optimistic, Congresswoman, that we will be successful in getting a vaccine. There's never a guarantee of that.
The Congressional Committee also asked nationally recognized coronavirus experts about statements from President Trump requesting a cutback in testing.
Neither the president nor anyone in the administration has instructed or suggested that we should do less testing.
Committee members also asked for projections on the potential impact of a second wave of the virus.
I have said multiple times publicly that we are still in the middle of the first wave. So before you start talking about what a second wave is, what we'd like to do is to get this outbreak under control over the next couple of months, that when you do have the inevitable situation of cases appearing as you try to gradually reopen the country, you can contain. And contain means identify, isolate, and contact trace.
Another very interesting moment today was when a lawmaker asked the question about how decision makers can manage that bad attitude curve, how to manage the Americans that refuse to acknowledge the dangers of the coronavirus. Reporting live at UC Health Hospital in Highlands Ranch, I'm Tony Kovaleski.
All right, Tony, thank you for that.